Hello everybody, tonight we make something a lot of people ask me to make Clams Casino. Now I prepare everything I got on the table for the clams. Now a lot of people say, Pasquale, it's too hard to do the clams casino or clams arreganate. I don't know the opener, he told me, I said okay. Now I know the opener of the clams. For me it's really easy. And no worry about it. You can do like this. You take the clams how many you want and you can steam. When the clams start to open up, take it out the right away. Not leave it cook too much. Okay? It's a steam, you take it out and the clams be prepared to make the clams casino. Now, what I did, I open this. It's like raw, and I know steam, it's like this. And what you need garlic, shallot, green sweet pepper, red sweet pepper. I got a parsley, I got a little butter, breadcrumb. Now the water for the clams I keep, cause maybe I need the mix with the breadcrumb, and I got the bacon. Now, the bacon, this one, it's a little big. I gotta use for put on the top of the clams.
Well, it's a little neck.
Yeah, little neck. And this one I chop really thin. I want to mix with the pepper, with the bread, with the garlic, and the shallot. Now, the start, we bring the shallot, the garlic, the bacon, and we put everything over here. Let me put the pots over here. I put the gas on. And I got a little butter and the pepper. I gotta bring it right over here. And the breadcrumb, so you want, I'll do this way. The breadcrumb, I want to saute everything together. But so you don't want to saute together, the breadcrumb you can mix and you do separate. Now, before we start, let's say salute cin cin ad everybody. Salute cin cin ad everybody. And thank you very much for your support. And thank you very much for the stuff. Salute cin cin. Facciamo amore. I put a little drop of the oil like this. Okay, I want to saute the bacon first. This one, I gotta put it right on the top, the clams. E tirarezza.
Thank you very much for the stars, guys.
Thank you very much to everybody.
And thank you for watching.
Thank you. All right. I want to make a little crispy, not to cook too much, but you gotta be a little bit. Now, the Clams Casino, everybody make it different. Everybody do something different. I do the way I was learned in Italy to make this like that. But like I said, I like the way I make.
Hello, Bill. Thank you for the stars, everyone.
Thank you very much. We lower the gas a little bit. Cause this after I put on the top and the bacon become more crispy. Okay, now we lower the gas and I want to take it out, this one first. try over here. Torna sorridendo. All right, now we use this other bacon. Cut this one.
Hello, hello, Bill.
Hello, everybody. And now I want to drink a little wine. Salute chin chin. Thank you very much for the start. Thank you so much. Now
Hello from Malta. Thank you very much for watching.
Thank you very much, Malta. Okay, now we got the garlic.
Thank you very much for the stars, everyone.
Thank you, thank you. And we got the shallot over here. We leave it cook a little bit. I like the smell of the garlic. It's so good. Okay, now with the shallot.
Yeah, the bacon smells so good. Hello, Denmark, far away from us.
Danimarca. Good, look at that. The smell, so good. Really, really good. All right, now we got the green sweet pepper. And we got the red. And we saute this a little bit.
Well, we have so many people from all over the world. Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you very much. It's a shame I'm not speaking too many languages. Bonjour, au revoir, what do you say? Arrivederci, buongiorno, buonasera, bonsoir. I got 1, 2, 3 languages I speak, that's all. Okay, now what I need a little salt, a little black pepper. Little salt.
Oh, sorry, Christy. I hope you feel better soon.
A little black pepper.
Thank you, Camille, for the stars.
Thank you very much. Let's drink it again.
Anthony.
Salute Cincine, thank you very much for the stars. Salute. Okay. Okay, now I got the breadcrumb over here. And I want to saute the breadcrumb together. But like I said, see, you don't want to saute together, you can mix the breadcrumb, a little garlic, and the oil, you mix, and after you can put on the top, and after, on the top of the breadcrumb, you can put this. But I want to put the breadcrumb together. It's enough. Now I got the little bowl over here, and I want to mix it together. We load the gas. Oh, solo mia, stam pronta te, stam pronta.
Bill is asking how many breadcrumbs you have, how many cups.
Well, some days I was use a pack of breadcrumb. I was eat only bread.
I think, Bill, this is the best word we can say.
Okay, now, like I said before, I got what I put. I got it right over here. This is the water for the clams. I strained it to make sure you know got no shell or nothing. And I want to use a little bit. Okay, give it really, really good taste. Now,
Smells so good.
I want to put a little parsley from my garden. I got so much parsley. Okay. And we leave this over there. Solo mia. Okay, look how beautiful it look. Eh? Okay, now I turn the gas off over here. I want to take one of the spoon. I want to use a smaller spoon over here. I got this. And the bacon. Okay? Now, what I gotta do, this is the parts you gotta go in the oven. And today, I make the oven at 450 degrees. Not 400, 450. Now, I use this rock salt. And I want to use this on a bottle. Like this, the clams stay when you
need
put.
little more, little.
The more. All right? Okay. Now.
No, it's not our brand, it's all clad.
Okay, now we do like this. Look. And each one, you take the bacon and you put right on the top like that. And look at this. It's beautiful.
Yeah, we have clams oreganata, and you can check on YouTube OrsaraRecipes.
I want to put it right over there. I want to make sure I got enough.
He's doing all the dishes.
It's not bad. Do the dish. What difference make? You gotta wash the dish. I want to make sure I got enough of the stuff. Ci è voluto bene te. Look at this, how beautiful look, this Clams Casino.
Thank you, Kathy, for the stars. Yes, parsley from the garden, yes. Thank you, CK, for the stars.
Thank you very much for the star, everybody. Look, I got enough. See the stuff, Taiva? Okay, now we can put the bacon. Like this, I'm sure.
Thank you, Rachel. Thank you, Chris.
Thank you, thank you. Dio voluto bene a te, voluto bene a te.
Somebody's asking what is the purpose of the salt here.
The purpose of the salt, the clams, it stays. You know, you got something with all the clams. You put like this a lot of time, the clams move, look like still it's alive, but it's dead anyway. No.
Thank you, Leslie. Thank you, Mike.
I got 2 more. Look, just it fits just right on the parts. Okay, now it's time.
Thank you, Tom.
Let me wash my hand, I want to drink.
And Carol.
Ok. Salute cincino devi fare. A salute. Let's put this in the oven now. Salute. And thank you very much for the stuff. Salute. Okay. Now this you go in the oven, cause this you not gotta cook too much. Okay? See cook too much, the clams become too dry. And the clams, make sure when you open it raw, make sure to lose them up. Because if you don't lose them up after when you eat, it's harder to eat. Okay, we go in the oven now. All right. I think maybe this, like 10 minutes, this is ready. I want to ask everybody, see, want to ask me some question? Ok, salute e cincin everybody. A salute. And we wait now, when this be ready, like this I show everybody what it look like. Salute, cincin, thank you very much for the stuff. Salute.
Yes, salt, yes.
Okay, we wait over be ready.
Maybe not because it's all done.
Yeah? Okay. We show after, we make, my wife should make a nice speech and show everybody what it look like. Okay? Maybe it's too long, 10 minutes. And I don't want everybody gotta do something else. And after you can look what it look like. And again, thank you very much. And thank you so much for your support. And I'm so happy. Thank you for your support and for the stuff. Salute, chin chin. A salute, and we see next time. Thank you very much. A salute.